Okay. Yes, I have, for my opinion, a big announcement to make because I decided to make to open an Etsy shop. Oh my gosh, I thought of that a long time ago, and I was always terrified that it will cost too much or that I won't sell on that. I have no idea how it works and I'm terrible about that. And yeah, the media is a big thing, and having such a site is for me enormous. I'm just a little person that crafts a lot, and yeah, I do have a lot of items, and in the past I did the things that I have for sale on YouTube and Facebook, and that works perfectly fine with me. I love the person who like to buy things by me, that we have a personal contact through email or Facebook. I do love that. I still do love that, and that is still a thing that I actually do not want to lose. But yeah, it's getting bigger and bigger, and I think it's needed that for you guys, if you like to buy an album or a kit or anything else what I sometimes have for sale, that there is one place that you will see that I have for sale. So yeah, that is why I choose for that. And even if you do like to contact me personal, if you have any questions, or perhaps you want a few items or just one, and there is any possible little thing that is confusing you, please contact me in any way possible. That there is so many ways that you can contact me, through Facebook or my Facebook page, or through email, or through my Etsy shop right now. So there are so many ways to contact me. So please contact me if you have any questions about that. I am totally new at this. So if there is any possible way that is not complete, clarified, then just contact me. Please do, because I still love getting your emails and have that personal contact. I just love that. Yeah, so it's a little shame that I will lose that a bit, but I do hope that if you do like that too, then just go through my email and you can still buy items or anything what you want to buy from me. I still love doing personal contact, but if you want to see what I have, then just go to my Etsy shop and see what I have. And if you still want to order, not through my Etsy shop, but you want to order with my personal contact, I prefer that, but I can't blame you if you want to order through Etsy shop. Please do. There are so many ways you can purchase something from me, so I definitely hope that this will work. Alright, so yeah, I'm a little, oh, my heart is still bunching because I am so terrified about this. This is pretty big for me, and it's a big new step for me too. And if I don't like it in I will try it a few months, of course. But if I don't like it, I just plug out the, the thing that I plugged in. To open this Etsy shop, and if I don't like it, I just will stop doing it and I go back to my old-fashioned personal contact and through Facebook and YouTube. But anyway, the world is getting bigger and bigger in this media world, especially. So yeah, sometimes we have to go along with it. Does not mean that I like it, but we just have to do sometimes. So that is the first introduction, and I'm going to show you a bit on my phone how you get to my Etsy shop. Okay, so if you have this on your phone or on your personal computer, then you go to the website from Etsy, etsy.com, and you can type something in with that search button right here. But you also have an app on your phone if you do want to prefer that. Yeah, I do both, so that's not an issue. But if you're going to fill in here Scrap Queen, then I think you already found it. Not in this one, these two I am not. But I'm gonna show you first. If I fill in the name of my shop, then you can't find anything. No shops found. So yeah, I'm curious how about that. But if I fill in Scrap Queen, not push these two, because these two I am not. But if you fill in Scrap Queen and push that search button, then you already see some items that are mine. See? These are all mine. So if you click on one of them, click, then you see Scrap Queen Designs. That's my shop. Now the Wi-Fi is very low here in my little town, especially when my kids are at home. Then they all are very, very busy on YouTube watching Netflix or YouTube or whatever. But okay, this will continuing, but if I click then on my name, Scrap Queen Designs, then I go directly, yay, to my shop. See? And there you can see all my items that are available. So I have the kids on, not my kids, but the the kids I have for sale, not children kids, but the materials that I so crazy. Anyway, so yeah, I have kids, but I also have the scrapbook mini albums, the items that are for sale. So yeah, if you perhaps for the explosion box, there I see already a little mistake for announcing that name. Yeah, the Wi-Fi is terrible at this moment. Oh, there it is. Yeah, oh no, I did write it good. So you will see the price for it, and if you put this in your basket, oh my gosh, my Wi-Fi is so terrible. If you put this in your basket, then you will see right away the shipping costs. Now, before I go to that, the shipping costs was for me a big adventure. How and how I can apply that the best way. There are different countries, of course, in the complete world. And so yeah, normally if I do personal contact, I ask in which country you live, and I will check the shipping costs, and then I get back to you. Well, through Etsy shop that is a little difficult. So what I did is I fill in the shipping costs in my own country for Holland. And if it's a mailbox shipping or a package shipping, that I all fill in good, I hope. And so I could choose for you shipping in Europe, and I can fill in Europe but not Europe contents. So that are two different options, and I could choose all over the world. So I hope I fill in that completely correctly, because I could not fill in, I could, but hey, hello, you know how many countries there are in the world. So I choose 4 different options. If there is any mistake that you think of the shipping cost, just contact me and we get this together to fill out perfectly correctly. Alright? So, yeah. What else can I say? I have no idea. I am totally curious how this all works. If you have any advice, seeing things that is not correctly filled in, or I should have filled in to have a bigger audience, please help me, because I am totally new at this. I spent almost a complete day to fill it all in. Yeah, no crafting today, but okay. Sometimes you just have to do some things and to go along in this crazy media world. Alright, so give me a thumbs up if you like that I did this. And so yeah. Alright, so it's Black Friday, and I hope I can announce this all on Black Friday. That's 4 days away from today. So yeah. Alright. Bye bye. Check on that Etsy link. Check it. Okay. Bye bye. I will stop rambling. Bye bye. Love you.